My dad is stuck with the water trailer getting water. So I'm in the rescue unit, the 8300, with the tow rope. The funny thing is, this is our second pump location because you can't even get to the first location to get water because it's too soft. So if you're stuck at the second location because you can't get to the first location, that's when you know you got some rain. Come on. It's so soft in there. Right, loaded full of water and sunk down. It's too wet to seed, so we're trying to keep the sprayer going. The water trailer's out. It's too wet to seed. The drill is sitting right beside where the water trailer was. But it's not too wet to spray, so I'm going to continue spraying pre-pass and Roundup on canola stubble where we're going to seed our wheat. We have to move all the way up north. It is drier up here as soon as we can finish the field we're stuck on. It's good spraying because it's calm. It's supposed to be windy the next couple days. It's calm, and the rain that we had has washed off all the plants, so they're nice and clean, and it doesn't kick up as much dust behind the sprayer. Had an inch and a half of rain over the last 7 days. So we really needed it. Now it's go time. It's supposed to be sunny and low 20s, 22, 23 for temperature for the next week to 10 days. There's some volunteer wheat coming, some volunteer canola. So this pre-pass will help the flush of canola coming now that we've got some moisture and some heat and sun on the way. Just look at the moisture though. A little bit of a crust on top now. You scratch it away. We got good moisture we're seeding into. Crazy. Can't complain now. The auto boom really has to think on this field. A lot of sharp hills, rolling hills. It's fun spraying this one. Gotta pay attention. I have my sensitivity for the auto boom set at 50. I have not touched that. They seem to be pretty good. And then my height is at 26, so it's running fairly low because it's getting windy. So after this tank, I have 450 gallons left in here. I'm going to switch my dad. He's in the drill seating. I'll switch all around. Look at those hills. At the scene of the crime. It's 1 stuck for Todd, 0 for me, 0 for Grandpa. We'll update the leaderboard as things happen. We're still seeding wheat. We have about 1,000 acres in, not of wheat, total. Moisture's really good. Wheat's just right there. You can smell the dirt once been seeded. It's the best smell in the world. When it's dry, it doesn't smell as good. Is the drought over? I hope so. Only 3 passes left here, then going up north where I just sprayed. We got a small casualty here. Right there. These Borgo drills. Duct tape is your best friend. There we go. Last year, seeded through this entire little pothole. You can see last year's canola stubble. Not this year. They'll eventually dry up in the summer, and then in-crop herbicide you can spray through the whole thing once the water's gone. Even if we had a water cannon, all this water's in the bottom of this pothole. There's nowhere for it to shoot it. It's just going to run back in. I don't think it would work for that guy. Finally, the tractor's revving higher than the minimum TMS set at 1500 RPM. 1550. I'm going up a hill and I'm loaded right up. Oh, 1600 now. We'll just stay at 1500 the whole time. Finally in the hills, it needs to work a little harder. Seeding update. One of our main fan hoses has rubbed through on the tank. So this is the patch job we created. Rubbed through and it was leaking. And if that exploded, it wouldn't be good. So my dad or my grandpa is going to get a new hose tomorrow. So hopefully it holds in there. Just came out to check. And I found another hole in a hose. So I can hear it right here. Take that guy out. There we go. Can't hear it hiss anymore. That isn't leaking down the tank. I mean, it's not great. So hopefully it holds in there until we can get a new hose plumbed in there. Other than that, things are going okay. Set up fan speed. Didn't plug up on the ends as I was going through these sloughs.